karaniwang tao lamang. Kayod kabayo, yan ang alam. Karaniwang hanap buhay, karaniwan ang problema, pagkain, damit at tirahan.
These three guys are doing this for our country. They're going out to very, very isolated villages that have been forgotten, and we're bringing electricity to them to help them to develop. This is the kilometer zero, the starting point, but it's just the start.
Karaniwang tao saan natatakbo kapag nawasak iisang mundo? Karaniwang tao anong nagagawa upang bantayan ang kalikasan?
Now that we're here, we see this place being transformed. And in a few years, you will be transforming your area. And then from here, ma-transform natin yung bayan natin.
Kung kaya mong isipin, kaya mong gawin, isa-isang hakbang lamang at ika'y makakarating. Tulad ng puno na galing sa binhi, ang mga dakilang gaway nagmumula sa guni-guni.
Now, walang kuryente, walang progress. Right? You cannot work, you have no productivity. You have...
Ang tinig ng lupa ay ang tinig natin. Ang masasabi niya ay ang sasabihin natin. Kung lupa ang hahatol sa atin papanig, tayo ay kanya at tayo ang lupa.
Don't discharge the battery. And don't use it when it's discharged because patay na. Here there is a little manual, so you have some explanation.
Ito ang batas na pinagtibay ng panahon.
We want to encourage everybody to look at the ways to enlist, to join our advocacy and bring life to all Filipinos.
Hahatol sa atin papanig, tayo ay kanya at tayo ang lupa. Tayo ay kanya at tayo ang lupa.
Sustainable access to solar energy.
Lupa, laot, langit ay magkaugnay. Hayop, halaman,
The Solar Energy Foundation wants to help and connect these people to give them electricity.
ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay.
Hindi namin araw-araw kasi napupuntahan ko. Kaya nga natutuwa ako dito. Nakikilala ko yung mga bata.
Ita oto likat pasap.
Si Mother, pwede mo trabaho sa gabi. Pwede manahi. Pero si Mother o si Father nang magtrabaho, pangkunan siya.
Naglakad ako araw sa daang putikan, sa sobrang dulas.
Having access to light sources, for example, can make a huge difference.
With solar energy, pwede silang manatili sa lugar nila kasi pwede na mag-develop yung lugar. Yung ating mission, every single household na walang kuryente dito sa Philippines ay magkakaroon.
This will be changing your life for the next 10 years.
Iisa na lamang ang sapatos ko. Ito na ba yung sinasabi nilang pinaglaruan? Tabi po, palabiro, mapaglarong engkanto. Tabi po, palabiro, mapaglarong engkanto. Tabi po, palabiro, mapaglarong engkanto. Tabi po, palabiro.
Well, you can see the boats outside there. Those are fishing boats. You can imagine what solar lamps will do for them.
The Ride for Light is actually a symbol of reaching out to all Filipino.
Wala po tayong gastos, ilalagay ko lang natin sa initan. Tuloy-tuloy na po ang charge. Basta po green ang ganon, na-charge po yun.
Huwag gamitin ng sobra. Gamitin ang tamang tagal na oras na paggamit.
Yan! Ay!
Halina, tungo sa liwanag. Liwanag, halina, tungo sa liwanag. Liwanagan sana ang mga naglalakbay tungo sa liwanag sa paglalakbay.
Truthfully, Filipinos are very resilient. And no matter how impoverished the community, no matter how little they had, they were happy that they had their families. I guess, I hope they were happy that we were there.
Kahit nasa kadiliman ay
When we got into solar, using these flashlights that Jim gave us, it really lighted up the whole village. It gave them a new beginning, literal new beginning.
Solar Energy Foundation really helped in scaling up the productivity of the our citronella farmers in Camarines Norte. It's very helpful, especially for the farmers who live very deep in the forest, like a 45-minute walk from there.
Light means security, light means presence. Here, light means even sometimes productivity. Having solar power in this allows our communities live better lives and improve their lives without having to shoulder much more of the cost.
out of this experience, the conviction that our small solar lanterns do change lives, we do ask the people at large to contribute and help the Solar Energy Foundation in its mission to electrify all Philippines.
With so many kids now hooked onto technology and it being really the realm of the future, these solar initiatives are what's really going to spell the difference for us.